The first way you can easily draw a house is by putting cubes in perspective.
The first house begins with simple cubes in perspective. I'm not trying to be perfect here, and that's part of my wonky style. But I learned how to do calculated perspective and worked my way backwards to this. Using the cubes as guides, I will create my sketch on top of that. Now, using my sketch as a guide, I will work on the colors. First the flat colors, then the lights and shadows, and for last I work on the details. It is the best part. If you saw Picasso's first paintings, it's very well done, but you can't see his style yet. It's when he throws away all of the rules he learned when you start to see the identity behind the artist.
When you build a house in real life, you start with the floor plan. This one is from my house, which I will show you right now. It's not ready yet. But can we do the same with a drawing and start with the floor plan?
I prefer using an asymmetrical floor plan, so the house will look more interesting. This way of drawing houses follows a logic similar to that of building a real house. Start with the foundation, and from that you draw the frames and structural parts of the house, like the walls and roof. This one will be more like a cabin. You'll notice that my art is very noisy, and that's on purpose. In the beginning, I added a layer of noise after everything was done, but that's not very smart. It's like adding a camera shake instead of just shaking the camera. That's why I build my textures using gritty and noisy brushes from the start, instead of adding noise afterwards.
The third and last way of drawing houses, and after that there's no other way you can draw houses, it's by using simple shapes like that, stacking them. And I had this toy as a child. It's a Brazilian toy where you can build whatever you want using these wooden blocks. I played as a child and my daughter has one today. So I stole from her to make this video and make a lot of money. But that's okay because I will use this money to buy her food, which is much more important than stupid toys.
This last house is my favorite, because it's not only simple, but it looks good too. You just make random shapes and dress them with ceilings, walls, windows and other details. In all of these houses I'm using the same color palette, and in my experience, choosing the colors before you start painting, it's always better. But not only, I think I will use yellow. No, let's be more specific. I choose my exact color palette and branch out a little out of that if needed. It's one last choice I have to make during the painting process.
So drawing a house is fun and easy, like playing with a toy.